Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a restaurant website for free with no coding or technical experience needed. And I'm going to show you how to do it with Wix. If you're not familiar with Wix, Wix is what's known as a website builder. It makes it really easy. They have a drag and drop website builder that makes it so that anybody can make a website. Now you might be wondering why I'm not going to show you how to make the website with WordPress, because everyone loves WordPress, and if you go on YouTube and search for how to make a website with restaurant or how to make a restaurant website, you'll get a bunch of videos that show you how to make a website with WordPress. Now I love WordPress and I use WordPress myself, but I think WordPress is only for people that have a certain amount of technical knowledge and people that want to create a website that's very customized, because WordPress allows you to make just about any website, and it makes it very easy to do that. But with that customization and power, you also get a lot of other issues, like you have to constantly update WordPress with the latest versions, and you have to update the themes and plugins to have the latest versions, because if you don't do that, you might get hacked. Also, when you do those updates, sometimes the plugins and the themes and WordPress, they don't get along, and you can have issues and your site won't load. So you have to figure those out. And with a website builder like Wix, you can make just about any standard type of website that most people need, like a restaurant website or a personal website or a music or photo website. Most small business websites, all you need is a regular website that you can do with Wix. So you don't need to be able to customize like you can with WordPress. And with website builders like Wix, you can customize it to make a completely unique website if you want. So for that reason, I recommend to beginners website builders like Wix, and only recommend WordPress to someone that wants to do something very customizable and also is willing to take care of the technical side, because also with Wix, they also handle the technical part, so you don't have to deal with any of the updates. You can just focus on making your website. So here we have a demo of the site I'm gonna show you how to make. This is a Mexican restaurant website, but there's a bunch of templates that for different bistros and coffee shops and Asian food, and there's all kinds of different templates that you can use. I'm sure you can find one for your restaurant. But if you can't find one that is exactly like you can always customize it and make it more what you like. So as you can see, we have a really nice image of the type of food this restaurant has. And then at the top you have this menu, so you can add your menu, which they make it really easy to add your menu. And then you can also do ordering online if you want. So they have a way to order online. And then we have a catering page if you do catering. And then there's an events page. And all of these are optional. If you don't have events or catering, you don't have to add those. You can just remove it. And then finally we have this contact page, which has a location, hours, and a map, and then a contact us form. So also with Wix websites, they are also mobile responsive. So they look awesome on a mobile phone or an iPad, which is really, really important these days to have a website that is optimized for mobile and tablet, because these days people spend a majority of their time browsing the internet on their mobile phones. So it's very important to have a website that works well on a mobile phone. So the first thing you're going to want to do to create a site with Wix is you want to go to upward.com/Wix, and that will take you to this page where you can choose a website template. Now before we go into choosing the website template, I want to go over some of the pricing. So In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do for free. So go to the home page, and then go to subscriptions and then premium plans. And then this will load up the different plans they have. So you can make a website for free, and there's no charge, but when you do that, you're not gonna be able to use your domain. So for example, Wix.com is the domain. So you for your restaurant, it would probably be the name of your restaurant.com. That would be, assuming it's available, that would be the name of your domain. To be able to use that, you have to purchase a plan. So for the free plan, your domain would be something like your username, my username dot wix.com, slash my site. That's usually what the URL looks like when it's the free plan. So if you want to use, my restaurant.com or whatever the name of your restaurant is, .com. If you want to use that, you need to purchase a plan. So the cheapest plan is $5 a month, but this plan, as you can barely see, it says this plan displays Wix branding. So you'll see, like if you go back to here, excuse me, if you go back to here, now you can't see on here, but at the top and bottom it'll say Wix.com. So if you don't want that, you have to get the next plan, which is the $10 a month plan. You can see it says remove Wix ads, and that comes with a free domain. Domains are only about $10, $12. Actually, they can get down to $1 if you don't get the .com. You get some random domain. I highly recommend .com, and that costs maybe $12 a year. So this comes with a free one, which is not a huge discount because you can get it for pretty cheap, but it does remove the Wix ads. But you can get a plan for $5 a month. What I recommend is just signing up for the free plan, and then mess around with it, mess around with the website builder, and see if you like it. And then if you decide you like it, and you find Wix to be easy to use, then at that point you can. And actually, I would even go as far as just making your complete website with the free version to save money. And then once you're done making your site, then at that point, then sign up for a plan. That way you can save a little money, so you're not paying for the plan while you're still making it. Okay, so those are the premium plans that I just wanted to go over real quick. So I'm just gonna close this. So we went to upward.com/wix to redirect us to the template directory. So in here you'll see they have different types of websites. So we're gonna make a restaurant website. So if you see right here, it says see templates. It'll take you to the restaurant templates. Now you can scroll through here and find one that matches your type of restaurant. They have many different ones. You can also, on the upper left, you could search. So maybe you have a bistro. So I'll search for bistro. And then, excuse me, bistro. So if you search for bistro, if I could spell that, bistro, then you get bistro websites. Or maybe you have a Mexican restaurant, and then the Mexican restaurant themes will come up. So in the demo, I was using this one, which I like. I think it's a nice looking theme. So then you just click this edit for whatever theme, you just hover over in this edit, click edit for the one you want to use. So I'm gonna click edit on this one. And then the first thing you're gonna need to do is sign up. So you click on this sign up, and then you would fill in your email twice and then your password twice, and then click sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in with one of my accounts. So once that finishes processing, you'll be taken to the website builder. Now, the website builder is really awesome. You can pretty much click on anything in the page and you can modify it. So, for example, this is text. If you just double click the text, it will bring up a modal where you can change just about anything about this text. So you can drag and drop or drag the font, make it smaller. You can change the font to something else. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can add effects to it. There's all kinds of stuff you can do to the text. You can also click on this image. So double click this image and you could change the image to something else if you wanted to. So the first thing that comes up is My Images. These are images that you have added from your computer. So if you wanted to add an image from your computer, you would just click this Upload Images and select it from your computer. Now there are also social images, so you can link to your Facebook page or your Dropbox or Google Drive, and you can automatically add those images. Or they have free images from Wix. So if you come to the free images from Wix, they have all kinds of free images and you can search for. So say you have a Mexican restaurant and you want to add you want to change the image to something else. So you just go here and search and maybe change to this one. And then you change background. And then that changes the image. If you click the buttons, you get some options. So you can click this change text and you can change the text. Or you can also change where this button links to. So you can change it to another page on your website, or you could also change it to a web address or an email or a phone. So there's several things you can change it to. And then if you scroll down, you can double click this text and you can, change to whatever you like. So pretty much everything in the page you can click and you can change it. So if I click, down here and I want to change the color. So I want to change the color of that footer, you can click and change it to whatever color you like. Or you could change it to an image, or they have some backgrounds you can add. So there's all kinds of stuff you can do and it's very easy. You just click in the page, change this text, you click edit text, and then you can, change to whatever, or you want to edit this menu, click that and you get options. So pretty much anything in the page, you just click it and you get some options and you can modify it. So that's how you modify things in the page. You can also add widgets to the page. So to add a widget, on the left side where you see this plus, click that, click the add, and that will bring up this with options of different widgets that you can add. So there's a text widget, there's an image widget, there's an image gallery widget, slideshow button box. As you can see, there's a lot of different types of widgets that you can add. So to give you an example, let's add a video to our page. So just click on the video and drag it over and then let go. And then it'll add the video. Now, you might want to add one of your own videos. So to do that, you click this change video. And then you can search for videos. So say how to make a website. And then you can add a video from here. So I'll just click on one of these and then click add. And then that adds in the video. So once you do that, you can just click the video and drag it. And you can drag it to wherever you want. So I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom. Just for demonstration, I'm just going to drag it down here. And then boom, you got a video. So as you can see, it's just really easy to add a widget. So let's say I'm going to go back to the widgets. And then select text. And then say I'm just going to add site title. And that will add some text. And I can just double click it. And I can change the font. change the size, and then if you need to make this bigger, you just click these and drag it, and then you can change the text. This is a site title, and make it a little bigger, and then you got some text. So as you can see, it's very easy to add new widgets. You're probably going to have other pages. So for example, say you want to change the menu. So this is the navigation at the top. Up here in the upper left, you click on here. This will show the menu. So if you click and drag any of these, you can change the order. See, as you can see, it changed it. So that's how you modify. Now let's say you wanna add a menu. So you're in the page and you just click on the menu, and that will take you to the menu page. Now to edit the menu, you would double click on any of the items, and that will bring up the menu options. Now to add your menu, you have to click this edit your menu. So if you click edit your menu, that will take you to a page where you need to add your restaurant information before you can add your menu. So this is what's called a Wix app. They have different apps. So one of their apps is for restaurants. So just click Let's Get Started, and then you would enter your restaurant and then your address, and it has a autocomplete. So just find your address and then enter in your phone number, and then click continue. So now that we've added our restaurant information, we can now create our menu. So just click this create your menu, and then this is the default menu that comes with that template. So you would just go in here and you would edit. So maybe you want to change the name of this, you want to call it something else, appetizers, and then you can change the summary of this section. And then for each one of these, you can click edit, and then you can add an image, change the name of the menu item, and then change the description. So you would just do that for each section. You would create, if you had, or if you have a very basic menu, you can you can add a new section, or say you only have one section, you could just click this delete, and that will delete that section. So after you add your menu, you can just go back to your page, and as you can see, it already updated it. See, I changed it was starters and I changed it to appetizer, and it's already changed. So that's how you change the menu. Now you can also order online. So if we click order online, excuse me, if you go up here at the left and then go to order online, that will take us to the order online page. Now just like with the menu, if you want to edit this page, you just double click in the page, and that would bring up this modal, and then you would need to turn on online ordering. So click this turn it on. Then once you're here on the left side, click this online ordering. And then, so right now, online ordering is off. So right here, you would click that to turn it on. And that would turn on online ordering. Now, with the free plan, you can only do certain things. So if you want to do online ordering, you're going to have to get a premium account. So that's why you see this upgrade now, so customers can check out and pay. So if you want to be able to do online ordering, you're going to have to upgrade to one of the premium accounts. So I'm going to go back to our web page, and next I'm going to go to the catering page. Now, not every restaurant does catering, so if you don't want catering, you would right click, or excuse me, to the right of the menu item, just click on that item, and then you could just delete it. So click delete, so just confirm it, click delete, and then that will delete the catering page. So that's how you delete a page. So that covers the basics of making a restaurant website with Wix. As you can see, it's really easy to do. Anybody can do it. But if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at help@upward.com. That's UPWERD.com. Also, you can post in the comments section with any questions or comments you have, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. That's it. Thank you very much.